So welcome back to the static VoIP infrastructure to agentic VoIP infrastructure podcast. This week, I'm really going to focus on can I give Claude a set of instructions for provisioning a new customer? So, for example, can I say, like, you know, provision a phone number when that phone number is dialed, um, you know, go to an IVR, give them some options, and then have it basically routed to an extension. So can I do that easily by just giving it a couple of a prompt to do that? And maybe I'll give it kind of like maybe a stick diagram or a flow diagram so it can do it. So let's go ahead and get started and see how that works out. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I am in, let's go ahead and change over to where I'm basically keeping all of like my Claude interaction kind of like focused or isolated to a particular directory. And so let's go ahead and start Claude from there. All right. And then I'm going to basically say, I just this is totally bad, but I'm gonna ask it, hey, what's my login info to FusionPBX AI? All right, so here goes all my information. If you remember, our box already knows about the user. Um, see what domains. Let's see here. List me the set of domains on the Fusion PBX server. So let's go ahead and get domains, and then we're gonna give it a task. All right, so there goes my domains. I think we'll do it. All right, so we'll do Hendrix here. So let's say uh, create a create some routing that includes a DID with a DID of 999.888.777 in the Hendrix.test dciprouter.net domain. It should route to an IVR with two options. Each option should go to an extension. So option go to extension. I don't remember what the extension numbers we selected. So I'm gonna say you can pick the extension to route. I don't remember the extensions we created. Cool. So let's go see what it does. Remember, this is all about trying to figure out how much of this can be done agentically, right? So and I'm always surprised on how well these systems can reason. So we'll see how and what it does here. I'm just curious. All right, so it looks like it actually did everything here. It looks like it went ahead and created a provisioning script, created the inbound route, did the IVR and options. So let's go ahead and pop over to our web browser and actually confirm that it actually did the things. So I'm logged in. This is the domain, is the Hendrix domain. And then the first thing we're going to do is look at the inbound routes and to see if we have a 999-888-777, which is good. And then that actually routes to 500, or I'm sorry, 5,000. So let's go over to IVR, I'm sorry, applications, IVR menu. There is 5,000, main menu. It looks like here for the greeting, it's tried to string together a set of audio files in order to state what needs to be pressed. Yeah, okay, cool. So it looks like it says, press 1 for IVR cells and press 2, right, for technical support. So that's kind of cool. So it looks like it did it. It looks like it actually worked. Let's go ahead and actually see what that message actually sounds like. So let me set it up so that I can route a call to it. So right now, let's do access controls. And let's go ahead and allow my IP address, and that will allow me to place calls to it and see what's happening. So we'll save that. And let's go ahead and just for giggles, oops, I hit the wrong button. I'm just going to reload the ACL. And we're going to go ahead and use my soft phone here. All right, so let's go ahead and give it a try and see what happens when we dial 999-888-777, which is the DID that we have here.
Thank you for calling. For sales, press 1. For technical support, press 2.
Oh, let's press 1.
The person at extension 1001 is...
Yeah, look at that. So that actually worked. And it actually concatenated and created a voice prompt for us by concatenating a number of WAV files together. So this was a pretty easy thing to do. It took a little bit of compute power for it to build the script for it to make it happen, but Claude was able to take our task that we wanted, our routing rules, and actually implement them inside Fusion PBX. So give it a try and let me know if there's something you want me to try I might as well just, blow the tokens myself and you kind of see uh, what things work, what things don't work. So comment below or shoot me a message on Instagram. I'm a machine maker on Instagram, and let me know if there's something you want me to try, and just give it a try yourself. So talk to you soon, and thank you for watching. Take care.